Well, academics have joined efforts to shield the Western Cape's multi-billion rand agricultural sector from climate change. In line with global trends, research is showing that droughts, floods and heatwave conditions are all becoming more prevalent, further prompting leaders to invest in making the province more resilient against global warming. And the provincial government has partnered with the University of Stellenbosch to help with this. eNCA reporter Kevin Brandt brings us the latest.
Changing weather patterns directly impact crop yields and can also affect livestock productivity. Scientists at Stellenbosch University's Welgevallen experimental farm are studying how wine grapes react to different weather patterns.
It's absolutely important because with weather models they can now see where the temperatures are going to be shifting and what if it's getting colder or it's getting hotter. So it's important for us to be proactive with that type of stuff because we will then be able to, when those instances come, we know exactly what to do. We have something in the pipeline that we can apply, and with the studies that students are doing, it's holistic. It's not just focused on how we're utilizing water, but also the actions-wise, job creation. It's so holistic that everything that climate change will affect will already have an answer, sort of. There's going to be a rough answer for what they are studying and what they are researching, and it will definitely hold benefit not just for the Western Cape but also for other provinces as a framework that they will provide at the end.
The Western Cape Departments of Agriculture and of Environmental Affairs and Development Planning have joined hands with the University School for Climate Studies to share knowledge. Experts in the campus's Agri-Sciences faculty have highlighted the value of this partnership.
It's important to understand that the agriculture in our province is made up with annual crops, that is the wheat and the canola and the vegetables that we plant every year within a season, an optimal season, but the main contributor to our agricultural economy of this region is permanent crops. It's vineyards and fruit crops that has lifespans between 15 and 35 years. So they're really exposed to these longer-term trends that we are expecting of lesser rainfall, more volatile climatic conditions, hail and frost, and lower rainfall and higher temperatures over time. So a lot of our research and the research of the School of Climate Studies will focus on to come up with real-time solutions, how the farmers can manage these risks, and how we can also utilize our resources such as land and water more sustainable and at the same time reduce our carbon footprint.
Provincial leaders say the collaboration will drive a more rapid transition towards climate change adaptation.
We've also seen from Stats SA that we create a significant number of jobs here in the Western Cape. Primary agriculture is about 236,000. Agri-processing, another 250,000. So this is a significant employment creator in the Western Cape from an income perspective, because we've also engaged with Stats SA and they indicated that commercial agriculture contributed 64.4 billion rand in revenue. So this is a very significant sector, and climate change is now impacting on agriculture for the last number of years.
In a world where the impact of climate change is hard to miss, provincial leaders have underscored the importance of forming partnerships that will allow industries to pivot operations and remain economically viable in the environmentally conscious future. Kevin Brandt, Stellenbosch.